Hi everyone, it's me Asawang Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog is we're gonna drive mountain driving again. So it's uphill driving and we're having so our nail colors for today is black. So okay, come with me and let's gonna drive. So let's go. And then also I have to see something there, buy some snacks for my daughter and then look around what is new. So let's see if it is traffic or not traffic in the road. So that's all we're gonna do today, checking out the road. So okay, let's go. So it's 100 to it's very quiet now in the road. So I'm passing the mountain view. So I like to drive here because of the wide road. The road is wide. So there's a very beautiful restaurant right there in the left side, so we can check it out and maybe we find something. So we make a turn around. We make a turn, make a U-turn here, and then we have to check what's in there. So okay, I'm just gonna drive. Hi everyone, so we're here at Highway 16. You see the sign, that's Highway 16. So I'm gonna show you what's inside the Highway 16. So I used to drive here because the road is wide and it's also safe to drive because it's less traffic. So let's go and come with me. So this is the area. So let's check inside. Hi everyone, so for now I'm having a drink. It's calamansi juice. bring some food. So I have here the snacks, the piyaya. We call it piyaya here in the Philippines. And of course the Four Season. But this one, I don't like this one because it's too much. Pwede Aileen Saniga? So we're gonna put this back, and then after this one, we're gonna go home.
Wala na, ma'am.
Ano na siya?
May napon na lang ka na, ma'am.
So this is Highway 16 in Bunga. Hi everyone, so we're here in the car now, and then we're done with the snacks, so we're going home, and then we're gonna wear the other heels. So I'm gonna wear the high heels this time, so come with me and let's go drive. So foot brake. Hi everyone, on the way home we're gonna use the high heels again. So let's take a look. My feet is so, it looks tired. So okay, I have to put like, hi everyone, so this is Highway 16 in Bunga. So this is the view. So I have a little view. So thank you all for watching and see you next vlog. Bye.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.